Hello friends, welcome to my innovative channel to watch more creative videos using machine learning using Python. As we have gone through plenty of videos, many videos on machine learning for face detection, face recognition, such as we have seen face detection using FAIR library, using DFace library, using FaceNet, using DLIB, using Streamlit, using MTCNN, using OpenCV for face image, digital image, this thing, VGG Face 2 and many more. But today's video we are going to see that is really different. We are using FastAPI as backend and Streamlit as front end. So we'll go through the program. In today's video my back end is FastAPI and front end is Streamlit. Now we'll go through FastAPI part. These are the FastAPI I have used. Upload the file and file for uploading the image, then CV2 library for digital image and HAR cascade file for use for digital image recognition and this thing. Now we'll go through Streamlit part. So Streamlit part, face detection and this thing, uploading the file and this thing. Localhost, and it is running on port 1800. Many a times I thought, why not simply display face recognition and face detection and face attendance using Streamlit, only using Streamlit. There should be some back end, front end. So this time I got the idea and I'm posting the video, face detection using FastAPI and Streamlit. Now we'll execute the backend part first. As in our Node.js and React.js program, we execute Node part first. Yes, unexpected indent first. Yes, backend server started. FastAPI. Now I will execute Streamlit. So upload the image. Yes, this is the image I have uploaded and these are the faces detected. So I successfully done with FastAPI and Streamlit face detection with FastAPI as backend and Streamlit as front end. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on FastAPI. So keep watching my channel for latest update about machine learning, web development. Keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.